Here's how to fix no sound or audio on Lenovo laptop and PC. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left panel, click System, and then select Sound. At the top of the sound settings, check the Output section and make sure the correct speakers or headphones are selected. Also, confirm that the volume slider is turned up and that the device isn't muted. After that, scroll down to Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems and click Output Devices. A window will pop up. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow Windows to run the automated audio diagnostics. This tool will check for common sound issues and apply fixes if they're available. If the problem isn't resolved, scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Open the Playback tab and make sure your speakers or headphones are enabled. If your audio device is disabled, right-click it and select Enable. You should also disable any audio devices that you're not using to avoid conflicts. Next, select your speakers or headphones, click Set Default, then click Apply followed by OK. After that, check whether the sound is working. If there's still no audio, open the Start menu again, search for Services, and launch it. Here, scroll down to the bottom and locate Windows Audio. Once found, double-click it. First, set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply, and then OK. After that, open Windows Audio again, and this time, make sure the service status is set to Running. If it's stopped, click Start, then click Apply and OK. After that, right-click Windows Audio again and select Restart this time. After that, close this menu. Next, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Here, first, expand audio inputs and outputs, then right-click your speakers or headphones and choose Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to complete the process. If no new driver is found, right-click the same device again and select Update Driver. This time, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select Audio Endpoint and click Next to install the driver. After that, scroll down and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Here, right-click your Realtek audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device, click Next, and allow Windows to install the driver. Once you've completed all of these steps, restart your laptop if prompted, and check whether the sound is working again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.